Dear students, our today's topic is to study about the biodiversity and its levels. So, what exactly is biodiversity? Biodiversity is also known as, we call it as biological diversity. Biodiversity is the variety of all the species on our planet. It includes different plants, animals, birds, microorganisms, their genes, their habitats, and all the ecosystems like forests, grasslands, oceans, wetlands, etc. Here I have put like some different types of species of plants. Likewise, you can imagine there are millions of other different types of plants, animals, microorganisms. So that's what we call as biodiversity. You can define biodiversity as the variability among living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine and other aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which they are a part. And this includes diversity within species, between species and of the ecosystems. So here you can see different types of animals that are found on terrestrial ecosystems and different types of species found in marine ecosystems. So this is what we call as biodiversity, and it represents the totality of genes, species and ecosystems of a given area. Scientists have estimated that there are around 8.7 million species of plants and animals in existence, and out of which only around 1.2 million species have been identified and described so far, and most of which are insects. Alright. Among animals, insects are making more than 70% of the total, or you can say out of every 10 animals on this planet, 7 are insects. The number of fungi species in the world is more than the total species of fish, amphibians, reptiles and mammals combined. India has only 2.4% of world's land area, but it shares 8.1% of the total global species diversity, and it is one of the 12 mega diversity countries of the world. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is because of the warm climate and high primary productivity. Terrestrial biodiversity is biodiversity that is found in the terrestrial ecosystems, and as we move away from the poles, the biodiversity goes on decreasing. So biodiversity, it's not evenly distributed on Earth, and it is richest in the tropics. The tropical rainforest or the tropical forest ecosystems cover less than 10% of the Earth's surface, but they contain 90% of the world species, or they have the highest biodiversity, you can say. Marine biodiversity is usually highest along the coasts in the western Pacific, where sea surface temperature is highest. Different levels of biodiversity, or you can say types of biodiversity, that is, it includes genetic diversity, biodiversity, species biodiversity and ecosystem biodiversity. Genetic diversity it refers to the variations among the genetic resources of the organisms. Alright, every individual of a particular species differs from each other in their genetic makeup or genetic constitution. That's why we humans, we look different from each other. So variety or variation among the genes is genetic diversity, and species diversity is the variety of different types of species found in a particular area. Like you can see here, different types of species of fungi, or different species of the cat family. So this is diversity among the species, or diversity or species diversity you call it. Then we have ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity is the variation in the ecosystems that are found in a region, or the variation in ecosystems over the whole planet. Because we found that we have already studied like in our last lectures, there are different types of ecosystems. So variety or variation in the in these ecosystems is ecological diversity. This ecological diversity includes the variation in both terrestrial as well as aquatic ecosystems. Like we have different types of ecosystems: rainforests, we have mangroves, we have coral reefs, estuary, deserts, grasslands, etc. So this represents the ecosystem diversity. That means the diversity among the ecosystems. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.